Just wrapped up this 2018 Polaris Slingshot SLR. Some LEDs. Going through some different modes here to show you guys. Customer requested some floor mats. Come up with that.
Delivers a gold gladiator shocker. Quinn Perkins is missing.
Fender. Whole lot of high vis.
Performance Power Sports.
Oh, that dude, those lights. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll go back. I'll let you do video. If your video makes clear